Hey guys, my name is Sujit Antube and I'm a professional artist and art educator. Welcome back to all of you on this channel, How to Sketch. In this video tutorial, you will learn about watercolor at a moderate to high level. I'm using a very light technique called the wet on wet technique of watercolor. If you don't know about the technique, please go to the link below in this description. Here I am using a watercolor book of 230 GSM, which is cost around 70 to 80 rupees, a watercolor plate which is cost around 110 rupees, and a different number of round brushes. Please stay connected to this video until the end and leave your valuable words in the comment section, please. Thank you. At first I am taking some of the waters at a small section of the plate, watercolor plate, for the wet and wet technique. Then I take a little bit of red and blue color and to the water and mix. Okay, now mix the whole thing with the sap green and Viridian hue with the water one kind of, and now this watercolor we have to just using on the paper.